Dear students, very good morning. How do you do? Are you enjoying the sessions? In the last class, we have seen and studied impulse momentum principle, right? And we have stopped at to find the force exerted by the fluid on either flat plate or inclined plate, whether it is fixed or in motion in the direction of fluid. Okay? Let us consider today in this class case 1, when object is stationary. You can see from this figure, very clearly drawn, smooth plate which is kept normal to the flow of fluid, that is in the direction of motion. Here you can see it is fixed. This represents it is fixed now. Therefore, if the plate is smooth, then friction between the jet and the plate may be ignored or neglected. Let us underline and see how these words can be quickly identified. We can neglect or ignore. Therefore, the velocity before and after striking the plate will be remain same, that is v meters per second. Is it clear? Any doubt? No. Okay, fine. The force exerted by the jet on the plate, assuming it smooth. You have to assume. See, you must have studied even in mathematics or physics or in any subject so far. Whenever we are required to derive something, assumptions is a must. Without assumption, we cannot come to arrive any equations. So on and so forth. Here also it is assumed that plates are smooth in the direction of jet x direction, that is force exerted. Let us assume let Fx be the rate of change of momentum in the direction of the force. Therefore, that is given by initial momentum per second minus final momentum per second. That is equal to mass per second multiplied by velocity before striking the plate minus velocity after striking the plate. Shall I move? Okay, friends. Flat plate is normal to the jet, but when the plate is stationary. In that case, what is the magnitude of the force exerted on the plate? We will learn today. Let us assume initial velocity in the direction of motion v meters per second. You can see here everything very clearly. V meters per second. Final velocity in the direction of motion is 0. Why it is 0? Because plate is fixed. It is not moving. Therefore, Fx is equal to rho AV multiplied by V minus 0. Therefore, Fx is equal to rho AV squared. As the plate is stationary, therefore, the work done on the plate is 0. Okay? Very simple derivation. With interest, you have to follow. Stepwise, you have to understand. You have to write on paper and practice it. Then only it will become quite easier. Next. Case 2. Flat plate is inclined to the jet. Here, in this figure, you can see very clearly. In the previous case, plate was at 90 degrees. Now it is having certain angle theta with respect to the jet of the fluid. Jet of the fluid is moving with a velocity v, and it exerts force on the plate which is held inclined and fixed too. Therefore, after the impact, the fluid will slide away in all directions over the plate and it will leave the plate tangentially as shown. Can you see here? It is tangentially moving. Let Fn is equal to force acting in the direction of normal to the plate. This force can be computed using impulse momentum principle. Here Im means or stands for impulse momentum. Likewise, rough sketch at least you have to write on paper and you have to practice the derivation. It becomes easy. Not only easy, you will ever remember it. Shall I proceed? Okay. Next. Let us continue this. Fn is equal to mass per second multiplied by velocity before striking the plate. You can see here. You can see here velocity before striking the plate in the direction normal to the plate minus velocity after striking in the direction normal to the plate. Therefore, initial velocity is equal to v sin theta, final velocity is equal to 0. Why? Because plate is fixed. It is not moving. Fn is equal to rho av multiplied by v sin theta minus 0. Therefore, Fn is equal to rho av squared sin theta. In the earlier case for flat plate held normal, we got rho a v squared. Here it is rho a v squared sin theta because we have to take the component which is perpendicular to the direction of motion of fluid. Next page, next slide. Now, force Fn, whatever this force Fn is there, that can be resolved into two components as Fx and Fy. Fx is force in parallel to the direction of motion. Fy is force in the normal to the direction of motion. Here you can see Fx is parallel to the direction of motion, whereas Fy is perpendicular. 90 degree बोलते हैं ना, 90 degree to the direction of motion of the plate. Therefore, Fx is equal to Fn multiplied by cos 90 minus theta. That is equal to rho a v squared sin theta multiplied by cos 90 minus theta. What is the value of cos 90 minus theta? You have studied in 11th standard itself in mathematics. Cos 90 minus theta is nothing but sin theta. Therefore, if you multiplied with rho a v squared sin theta, you will get ultimately equation Fx is equal to rho a v squared sin squared theta. Similarly, Fy is equal to Yn. Let me take another color pen. Another color pen. Fy is equal to rho a v squared sin theta cos theta, because when you write for Fn into sin 90 minus theta, we know that rho a v squared sin theta sin 90 minus theta is nothing but cos theta. Therefore, we get rho a v squared sin theta cos theta. Is it clear? So you have to practice at home. Whenever you find leisure time for studies, when you make your mind to study for 1.5 to 2 hours, then you have to cover all the subjects. Na? You have to cover not only FM2, you have to cover other subjects also which are to be studied in this semester. At least you devote 30 to 35 or 40 minutes daily for each subject. There will be 4 subjects you may have, or 5 subjects. So 4 subjects means 160 minutes. 160 minutes means just within 3 hours. Within 3 hours, 2.5 hours or so. Daily if you start doing at home, the 2.5 hours you can split. In the morning 1.5 hour, night 1.5 hour. The rest of the day, keep on watch the video, keep on watch the video, keep on listen the video, play something, read newspaper, hardly matter. But these 3 hours are precious. 1.5 hours in the morning, 1.5 hours in the evening or night. If you practice it on paper, you can derive the equation without any much difficulty. Okay. Next slide. Flat plate is inclined to the jet. When it is inclined to the jet, when the fluid strikes the plate, it gets divided into 2 streams, Q1 and Q2, as shown in figure. Q1 and Q2. Q1 and Q2. Okay. Since the frictional resistance has been assumed to be negligible, the resultant force in the direction tangential to the plate is 0. Applying the impulse momentum equation, it is not minus, mind it, this is not minus. Impulse momentum in the direction tangential to the plate, rho q1v minus rho q2v minus rho qv cos theta is equal to 0. So from this figure, you can obtain this equation. Rho q1v minus rho q2v minus rho qv cos theta is equal to 0. Simplify this. q1 minus q2 minus q cos theta is equal to 0. But q1 plus q2 is equal to q. Continuity equation you know. Solving above two equations, 1 and 2, we will get the value of like this. Let me zoom it. Okay. Now you can see. When object is stationary, flat plate is inclined to the z. q1 is equal to q by 2 whole multiplied by 1 plus cos theta is equal to 0. q2 is equal to q by 2 1 minus cos theta is equal to 0. If you take the ratio of discharges, q1 upon q2 is equal to 1 plus cos theta divided by 1 minus cos theta, because q by 2 will get cancelled away. Okay. Next slide. Enough for today. We will see in the next class. References. I have been saying these 4 books we are referring. You can refer even much more than these books. We are referring these 4 books. Apart from this, you can refer any number of books which gives you sufficient material. For example, P.N. Modi and Seth, K. Subramanya, R.K. Rajput and Bansal. Bansal book will give you good sufficient number of numerical problems. Of course, it gives theory part also, and other 3 books will give you plenty of numerical problems. Only thing is, in this book, it has been narrated and explained in a smooth way. Okay? We shall stop here today. We will continue in the next class, please. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Please keep study, as I have already told. All the subjects, not only in my subject FM2, all the subjects you have to equally study and learn. Okay? Today we will stop it here. Thank you very much. ओ काय आता ही नहीं. आप लोगों को बताए तो बात मत करो, बोले तो बात करते. परवाह नहीं, ऐसा एक एक बात बीच में आना चाहिए.
मेरे को क्या मालूम था क्या?
नहीं, इसीलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ. ऐसा हुआ तो भी हम लड़के को हंसाएंगे उधर क्लास करने के वक्त. क्या बोलते, देखो अभी ये कोरोना पीरियड है, हमारा कॉलेज टोटली बंद है, घर में मेरा आवाज़ सुने तो बीवी बच्चे भाग जाता है, इसलिए मैं बाहर आके करता हूँ. एक बार जो वॉचमैन नया आता है उधर, वो तो उनका ड्यूटी पे आता है, हम कैसा मना कर सकता है. इसीलिए इस तरह प्रॉब्लम होता रहता है. एक बार वॉचमैन का आवाज़ सुनने में आता है, हार्डली मैटर. ऐसा बताने का लड़के को.